So you are looking to sell your house and you want your plan to succeed well. It is very common to think that your home is the best home for anyone to buy. However, there are few factors to keep in mind when the market analysis is done on the house. In this video, I will show you how you can get the top dollars for it. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Arora and I have helped thousands of people buy and sell condo or townhouse in Fraser Valley. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video because it will help other amazing people like you to find it on YouTube. And of course, write in the comments if you have any questions because I'm here to serve you well. So, you're ready to put your house on the market and wondering how the analysis works. Well, let us dive in together so that when you are sitting with the professional to list your home, you have the right questions to ask. So pay very close attention because the last one is the game changer. Active and expired listings or maybe terminated listings. Now, market is moving very fast. So yes, these comparables may or may not have the accuracy, but be sure to look at it is what has been terminated that came in the market but didn't want it to be sold. Maybe they took it off the market, or expired listings that were on the market for way too long. But most importantly, what's active? Because remember, you will be entering the competition when you are ready to put your house on the market. Square footage. So yes, when you're sitting down with the professional, be sure to look at the square footage of the house that you're comparing to or houses you're comparing to. Not just the house inside, but also look at the garage, the patio. Now you will think, Mona, those are not part of the square footage. Yes, totally. However, you still need to compare it so that you know that what are you comparing it to as far as the room in the house goes. So look at the house, look at the patio, look at the deck, look at the garage. And of course, be sure to look at the basement as well. That is the key factor. Not just if whether it has a second kitchen or not that can be rented, but in general also compared to the square footage of the basement as well. Renovation. That is another key factor when you're looking at the property to compare with others. When were the renovations done? That's another very key factor. Oftentimes we look at the renovations but we forget to look when the renovations were done. Were they just done now? Were they done 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago? So pay attention to the renovation so you are actually comparing as close to as your property. Location. That is another key factor when you're doing the analysis on your property. What is the location of the ones that you are comparing it to? Are they close to the shopping malls? Are they close to the accessibility of a transportation? Or are they in a quiet area? So when you're comparing your property to other properties, just pay attention to that how far is the professional looking or how far are you looking in order to do the comparables. Are you going way too far out? So stay within your diameter or within your criteria. So I know that I've already talked about the built area or the square footage, but also the rooms. You could have a smaller square footage, but yet quite a lot of room in there. Or you could have a lot of square footage, but yet only few rooms. Do you know that just having an extra room or having an extra bathroom makes a huge difference? Because from there comes the convenience for a family. If there's a family that is of 4 to 5 people and they have few kids or small kids that are ready to go to school in the morning, they'll be fighting over the bathroom. So that one extra bathroom can make a huge difference. So when you're doing a comparison, do check how many extra bathrooms or how many less bathrooms do they have. How many extra rooms or less rooms do they have. So based on that, you look at your comparison. So in the beginning, I talked about that everybody thinks that their house is the best. And that's where the uniqueness comes into the picture. So you need to make a list. What is so unique about your property? Yes, you can really compare it to the rooms, the square footage, the location, all those factors that I talked about already. But the key factor is what is the uniqueness to your property? Could it be a swimming pool? Could it be a view? Could it be a quietness? Could it be a sauna? There could be so many factors, so make a list. Now that is the important part. Because when you make a list, you will realize that there's a key points that you will not miss because you're writing it down. What do I love the most about my property? And that's your uniqueness, and that's what you want to compare to other properties. So you remember in the beginning I said that your property you feel is the best property that's going to hit in the market. And that is the reason why I said make that list, which is the uniqueness. But I also said that the last point will be the real game changer, and that is sold. Sold properties is your true analysis. Now, I'm not saying that it depending upon the market you're in, so if it's a slow market or a very fast market, the sold comparables may be a little deceiving. However, no matter what location, what quietness, what view, or what square footage, and all those factors are, end of the day, sold is what actually happened. So be sure to look at the sold properties because that will give you a little bit of a sense of an idea that no matter what the market is saying or what is being listed, what are they being sold for and what is the reason for their sale. So if you're finding something getting sold very low or very high, ask your professional, find out why this property got sold so high or why this property got sold so low, because that could be another deciding factor. So you're ready to bring your hot, unique, exciting house on the market? Well, to buy or sell your condo in Fraser Valley, please give me a call. I will help you to have the best experience in the real estate market. Let's keep in touch. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel to watch other videos that might help you to make the right decision when selling your home or buying a condo. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.